Hello silly bakers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. Let's talk overnight oats. I really enjoy overnight oats. I don't make them a lot because I prefer chia pudding. So then I thought, why don't I create kind of a hybrid, and instead of just making it all oats or with just a tiny bit of chia seeds, let's do a good combination of both. So I decreased the amount of oats and I increased the amount of chia. So this is kind of like an overnight oat and chia pudding. One thing that I found that really elevates the flavor is oftentimes people will select a fruit to work with their overnight oats, and it could be really anything that you love. I found that blending the fruit or some of the fruits with the wet ingredients and then adding it to your oats and your chia seeds really makes it so much more flavorful. So I'm going to show you 3 really great combinations for you guys to try. This could be 1 serving, it could be 2 servings, whatever you guys prefer. I like a savory breakfast, and then I like something a little sweet after my savory breakfast, so I kind of do a little bit of both. We're gonna do a peaches and cream, we're going to do a cherry Garcia, and we're going to do a lemon raspberry. So those are my 3 combinations that I'm gonna show you how to make today, and you guys can top them with extra yogurt, with some almond butter, peanut butter, nuts, whatever you prefer. I'm just gonna really show you how to create these overnight oats and then how to play around with them with your fruit of choice. So before we get to the recipes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to like and share our videos with your friends and family. And just to remind you, our Full of Goodness e-cookbook is available for you to purchase. I'm going to include the link in our description box. So let's learn how to make these incredible flavors of overnight oat and chia pudding. Let's begin with our peaches and cream overnight oat and chia pudding. In a blender, we are going to add a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. You can use any yogurt you like. 3/4 of a cup of milk, any milk you choose. This is soy milk. 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. 1/2 scoop of protein powder. This is a whey isolate, and vanilla. And we're going to use, this is a full peach that I've cubed. We're going to put about 1/4 of the peach in the blender and leave the rest for later. And we are going to blend these ingredients until they're nice and smooth. This is a glass Tupperware. I'm going to add the mixture into the glass Tupperware. You can also use a jar, up to you. I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of rolled oats. These are sprouted rolled oats. And we're adding 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Give everything a really good mix. And I'm going to add the rest of the peach. And again, just give that a mix. When you're working with chia seeds, you want to ensure that you mix it a few times so it's nice and hydrated and it doesn't sink to the bottom. We are going to add our lid and we're going to refrigerate and enjoy in the morning. Next is our raspberry lemon overnight oat and chia pudding. 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, 3/4 of a cup of milk, 1/2 scoop of protein powder, vanilla. This is the zest of 1/2 lemon. And I added a few raspberries, about 2 tablespoons of frozen raspberries. Again, we are going to transfer that mixture to our glass container. A 1/3 of a cup of oats, 2 tablespoons of chia, and again, give it a good mix. I'm using sprouted oats. They tend to be a little bit better for digestion. And 1/3 cup of frozen raspberries. And we're going to give that a good mix. We're going to add a lid. We're going to refrigerate and enjoy in the morning. Last but not least, cherry Garcia overnight oat and chia pudding. 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, 3/4 of a cup of milk, half a scoop of protein powder, vanilla, half a teaspoon of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of frozen cherries, and we are going to blend this until it's nice and smooth. Add that mixture to a container. 1/3 of a cup of rolled oats. Two tablespoons of chia seeds. Give that a good mix. And it's not cherry Garcia unless we add some chocolate. So this is 1 tablespoon of chopped dark chocolate. And we're just going to mix that through. And we are going to add 1/3 cup of frozen cherries that I've actually chopped into smaller pieces. And just mix that through. Pop a lid, put in the fridge, and enjoy in the morning. Enjoy our overnight oat and chia puddings. High in protein, about 25 grams, high in fiber, about 9 grams. They taste delicious and absolutely customizable. This is lemon raspberry. This one's my favorite. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try these overnight oat and chia puddings, let me know in the comments below. What is your favorite combination? What combinations do you love? Let me know in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching, and happy baking.